Let's do it. Okay, good morning, everyone. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. uh, now, uh, I will check the attendance list first, okay? When I call your name, please say present if you are here, okay? When you hear your name, please say present. Today is the 6th, yeah? The 6th of May. Adelia, no. Adi, present, okay. Amanda, present. Ariasa, no. Clara, present. Dimas, present. Hi, Dimas. Elizabeth, Axel, yeah, okay. Esther, at home, right? Esther?
Ya, Bu.
Yeah, and then Farel, present. Gonita, no, at home, right? Hi, Gonita.
Hai, Bu.
Yeah, okay. All right. Godricus. Godricus Nimo Corona. Which one? Godricus. Where is Godricus? Okay. Emanuela Pasca. Hi. Okay, thank you. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students here. All right. So, and at home we have Emmanuel Jovan, Gonita, Esther, Farhan, Andi, Tio Adi, Hai Adelia, Jelita Arum, and Christianico. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 7 equals with 15, yeah? Where are other friends? Do you know? Do you have any information about your friends? No? Okay. Later, when we have, today we will have a guest, yeah, in our Zoom and a guest in our classroom, okay? I hope later when we have a guest in our Zoom meeting, you can take pictures. We can take pictures together with your video on, okay? All right. Last meeting, we have introduction on recount text. Today, we will discuss about recount text. Okay. I will do the screen share, okay? All right. So, I hope those students at home, you are in a good condition, okay? Keep yourself safe and healthy. All right. Now, recount text. What is recount text? Recount text is a text to tell about something that happened in the past, okay? Something that we experienced in the past. The examples for recount text is like biographies or autobiographies, newspapers or the television news, letters and postcards, and also diaries. So do you write diaries? Yes, some of us write diaries. Those are the examples of recount text, okay? Now, the generic structure. Whenever we want to build a house, kalau mau buat rumah, we usually prepare for the structure. That applies also when we want to create a text. We prepare the generic structure, yeah? So we have the generic structure for recount text. The first one is orientation. In the orientation, we introduce the topic or event. So when we want to create a text, in the orientation, we tell the reader what to discuss about, the topic. Jadi dalam bagian pertama, we have orientation, we introduce the topic. Kita mengenalkan mau nulis tentang apa topiknya, okay? And then we have sequence of events. In the sequence of events, we have recount. In the recount text is told in chronological order. So the events, urut-urutan kejadiannya harus urut, chronological order, okay? We use first, second, then next, finally, etc. Do you know the meaning of finally? Finally, akhirnya. Yes, you are right, Elizabeth. Akhirnya. And then we have reorientation. At home, can you hear my voice clearly? The students at home? Jovan, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you see the PowerPoint? The presentation?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you. So it means that everyone get the presentation. And then the last part of the recount text will be reorientation. Reorientation. In the reorientation, the writer can give personal opinion. Pendapat pribadi, yes, you are right, about the topic or the event. Okay. Maybe you can get it clearer when we give the examples later. Okay. Next. The language feature. Language feature itu ciri-ciri kebahasaannya. Kalau kita lihat sebuah teks, kita akan bisa mengenali ciri-ciri kebahasaannya. Kita bisa tentukan, oh ini berarti recount text. The language feature of recount text is the use of simple past. Here, simple past. Okay, simple past. Do you remember simple past? What is the pattern for simple past? Subject, Amanda. Yes, you are right. Subject plus verb to here, yeah. I've written subject plus verb to here. You do remember. So we don't say I go, but I went. Good. I went to Bali. That's recount, yeah. Simple past tense. And then the use of past continuous tense. Subject plus. What is the pattern for past continuous tense at home? Students at home, let me have Gonita. Gonita, please turn on your microphone, please. Gonita.
Ya, Bu.
Yeah, do you know the pattern for past continuous tense? Subject plus to be, yeah. Yeah, to be. What is the to be? Was or were. Good. And plus verb ing. Good. Gonita, do you get it?
Yes.
Yes, the subject plus to be was were plus verb ing. For example, I was reading a book when my boyfriend came. Itu misalkan begitu ya. Itu adalah contoh dari past continuous tense. Saya sedang membaca buku last night. I was reading a book last night when my boyfriend entered the room. Saya sedang membaca buku tadi malam ketika pacar saya masuk ke dalam ruangan gitu. So now my question will be, when was me reading the book? Kapan baca bukunya? Last night, tadi malam, kemarin gitu ya. Jadi it has happened, sudah terjadi. Recount, okay? And then the uses of first, second, and next, and finally, okay, etc. And then let's move to the example. So we have an example of recount text. Look at here. The example of recount text. I need someone to read this. Volunteer yourself. From home. Yang dari rumah ya, biar suaranya kedengaran di sini ya. Maaf ya teman-teman yang ada di rumah, saya minta tolong kalian yang membaca, bukan teman-teman yang di sini, karena we are wearing mask and face shield. agak sesek nih ya pakai masker dan face shield. Coba yang di rumah kan nggak pakai masker nih, karena sendirian ya. Please help me to read the text, the example of recount text. Esther. Turn on your microphone, please. Okay, good. Go on, Esther.
Dear Grandpa and Grandma, yesterday at my school we had an international day. We had performance, food stalls, displays, raffle tickets draw, and some of us were dressed in costume. We start our day off with performance, but the one I liked best was the one from 4th grade. We played games. The performance I was in was La Bamba. Straight after our performance, we had our lunch. There were food stalls. They came from Australia, Asia, Arab, and Greece. There was also a trust and treasure stall where they sold toys. The school got this thing by asking the children to bring them in. Although I didn't win anything, International Day was still fun.
Thank you, Esther. Very good. Thank you for reading it loudly and clearly. I hope that everyone later, okay, after we have finished our class or after you have finished PTM and PJJ, please practice reading this text, okay? Remember, practice makes perfect. When you practice reading the text again and again, you will get it even better ya. Pasti akan lebih baik membacanya. Jadi nanti kalau sudah selesai pelajaran PTM, PJJ, tidak ada salahnya dicoba mau berlatih membaca. Jadi nanti bisa lancar seperti Esther tadi ya. Oke, thank you Esther. Now, do you find new words in the text? Ada nggak kata yang baru or you don't know the meaning? Amanda, do you find difficult words? Let's focus on paragraph 1. Do you have problems with paragraph 1? The vocabularies? No. Performances? What is performance? Let's have Adelia. Adelia. And she is not listening. Let's have Oh yeah, Adelia.
Ya.
What is performance?
Maksudnya gimana?
Okay. Can you see the text? Bisa lihat teksnya? Ya. Paragraph 1.
Ya.
Paragraph 1. Here I can can you see my pointer? Bisa lihat petunjuk saya ini enggak? Merah-merah ini.
Bisa.
These words, performance. What does it mean? Ini artinya apa? Adelia lagi berpikir. Anyone? Ada yang bisa bantu? Mungkin Farhan.
Mempersiapkan.
Oh,
bukan.
Sorry. This is still Adelia.
Mempersiapkan.
Ya. Performance.
Mempersiapkan.
Mempersiapkan. Performance itu perform. Menunjukkan. Tadi kalau performance apa? Pertunjukan. Yes, you are right. Soft voice, very soft. Suaranya sangat lembut. Ini siapa ya? Adelia ya? Ya, semoga Adelia. Oke. Performance, pertunjukan. We had performances. Maksudnya ada pertunjukan-pertunjukan. Next. Paragraph 2, no problem. Masih ada kata performances ya. Paragraph 3, no new words ya, no new vocabularies. Karena ini contoh ya, jadi belum ada contoh teks. Oke, and then Paragraph 4 and then paragraph 5, no new words, okay? No problems with the words in the text. So when you don't have problems with the words in the text, it means you know the text, okay? You know what is all about. Tahu ya isi teksnya ini. Okay. Let's have someone from the house. Farhan. Farhan or Farhan?
Ya, Bu. Ya.
You translate paragraph 1. Bisa terjemahkan paragraf 1 enggak? Please.
Gak bisa bahasa Inggris, Bu.
Aduh. Itu makanya dicoba. Oke, untuk saat ini it's okay. Saya minta tolong siapa ya? Let me have Andityo Adi.
Jovan, Bu. Jova bisa itu
Jovan,
Jovan.
Jovan yang paling pinter ya di kelas. Berarti Jovan deh. Oke, let's have Jovan translating paragraph 1. Jovan.
Ya.
Please translate paragraph 1.
Kemarin waktu di sekolah masa gitu.
Iya, kemarin saat di sekolah, good.
Kami merayakan International Day itu apa?
Yes, good. Next.
Terus kok nggak kelihatan? Kami mempertunjukkan.
Yes.
Terus itu terus apa ya?
Stand makanan ya, stand makanan.
Oh
iya. Ya.
Pameran
ya. Kemudian
pengundian dan menggunakan kostum.
Yes. Oke, beberapa dari kami menggunakan kostum. Very good, Jovan. Thank you. Next. From here, salah satu dari sini, Adi. Adi, paragraph 2. Kami memulai dengan dengan pertunjukan. Tapi salah satu yang paling I like best itu apa? Yang paling saya sukai, yang paling aku sukai, oke, adalah pertunjukan dari the one itu adalah pertunjukannya ya. Pertunjukan dari kelas 4 itu kelas 4. Yes, you are right. And then we played games. Pasti tahu ini, we played games. Kami bermain games. And then pertunjukan yang aku ikuti, I was in, yang aku ikuti adalah La Bamba. Itu suatu pertunjukan gitu ya. Kita nggak perlu tahu juga, kelihatannya sih itu tari-tarian gitu ya. Oke, next. Thank you, Adi. Next, paragraph 3. Paragraph 3, we have someone, please volunteer yourself. Let's have Cristianico. Nico?
Ya, Bu.
Ya, paragraph 3. Please translate paragraph 3. Paragraph 3. Straight after itu langsung setelah
setelah kita tampil, kita makan siang.
Makan siang. Terus, and then?
Di sana ada tempat jual makanan.
Yes.
Mereka datang dari Australia, Asia, Arab, dan Greece.
Dan Greece? Yunani atau Mesir? Greece? Ayo. Yunani. Okay, thank you, Nico. Next, someone from here. Let's have Pasca. Okay, Pasca, Emanuela Pasca. Paragraph 4. Can you read? There was also, ya. Ada juga trash and treasure, stun, trash and treasure. Di mana menjual mainan. Good. Sekolah mendapatkan things itu apa? Mainan-mainan tadi, toys tadi ya. Sekolah mendapatkan mainan-mainan itu dari meminta ya, asking itu meminta. The children itu siapa? Ya siswanya, anak-anak gitu. To bring them ini tuh apa? Membawanya. Jadi anak siswa-siswanya membawa mainan-mainan yang mungkin sudah tidak terpakai, kemudian dijual di situ. Itu ceritanya ya. Thank you Pasca. Next, the last one. Yemima. 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 Adelia, ini tidak ada videonya. Ya, Yemima.
Ya, Bu.
Ya.
Ya, Bu.
The last paragraph terakhir silakan diterjemahkan. Although, Yemima. Turn on the microphone, please. Mikrofonnya dihidupkan. And the video. Ayo diterjemahkan yang paragraf terakhir. Although, what is although?
Walaupun.
Ya, meskipun. Oh, Raka, oke. Meskipun, ayo Yemima. Meskipun kelihatannya Yemima ya, sulit komunikasinya ini ya. Coba Raka.
Meskipun aku tidak menang sama sekali, hari internasional ini menyenangkan.
Good, tetap menyenangkan. Thank you Raka. Suaranya Raka cute banget ya. Oke, meskipun aku nggak menang apapun, hari internasional itu masih tetap menyenangkan ya. Jadi dia nggak menang, tapi menurut dia karena banyak acaranya itu macam-macam dia senang. Oke, good. Now it seems to me that you understand the text, what the text is all about. Okay, good. This is the example of recount text. My questions: when was the International Day? Kapan International Day-nya? Yesterday. So it has been finished. Ya, it has finished. Sudah selesai. And okay. And what were happenings in the International Day? Apa saja yang terjadi di International Day? Performances, food stalls, display, ticket draws, and the students were wearing costumes, etc. Yeah, good. Now I think we have finished with this recount text. Now we will have exercise. Okay, we will have exercise on recount text. This one. Now I have questions number 1 to 5. Okay, questions number 1 to 5. At home, can you see the text? The students at home, can you?
Yeah, Bu.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Esther. Now I need someone to read the text first. Oh, you cannot see the text. Sorry. The students in here cannot see the text. Okay, I will. Okay. Now, can you see the text? Yes. All right. Let me have someone from home to read this ya. Pokoknya kalau baca yang di rumah ya, karena kalau yang di sini pakai masker tuh kasihan. Sesek. mau bacanya? Volunteer yourself, please. Silakan sukarela yang mau membantu kita membaca teksnya. Mari, someone from home. Kita nggak tunjuk. Ada yang sukarela membacakan, please. Kalau nggak ada, masa Jovan lagi? Oh, Jovan, oke. Okay. Jovan, please. Yang keras ya, Jovan.
Rina went festival in the morning to join the cooking competition. She wanted to cook fried rice. She arrived at 8 and directly prepared for the competition. At first, she thought she had brought everything, but suddenly she realized that she had left the rice in the kitchen at her house. She should cook fried rice and lost the competition. She felt very disappointed. Disappointed.
Disappointed. Very good. Thank you, Jovan. Jovan, this is special for Jovan. Do you find difficult words in the text? Do you find difficult words in the text? New words, new vocabularies, no?
Apa ya?
So do you know what is the text about? Tahu teks ini tentang apa? Tahu ya. Yeah, so this is about Rina.
Debat Rina.
Iya, Rina. Okay. Nah, students here, Pasca or probably Clara ya. Clara, do you find difficult words in the text from line 1? Do you have problems with line 1? No, you understand this, right? Please translate. Translate sentence 1. Pergi ke festival memasak, oke. Okay. Di pagi hari. Kompetisi memasak. Very good, Clara. Next. Clara, Dimas. Sentence 2 until 3. Yeah. This one. Yeah. You cannot see the text. Let's have Farah. Dia ingin memasak, betul? Nasi apa ini? Not just rice, but fried rice. Nasi. Pernah makan nasi goreng nggak? Kita ordernya biasanya bilang apa? Fried rice gitu ya. Nasi goreng. And then she arrived. Dia tiba, ya kan? Arrival itu loh. Kalau kita di bandara ada departure, arrival. Jadi arrival itu tiba. Oke, Farah? Dia tiba pukul 8, good. Iya, kompetisinya ya. Jadi dan langsung, ini ada bagian kata yang penting juga ya, directly, langsung. Dan langsung menyiapkan untuk kompetisinya. Thank you, Farel. Next. Amanda, this one. Gak kelihatan. Oke. Mungkin nggak pakai ini, nggak pakai teks di HP ya. It's okay. Adi, can you see this? Ayo, Adi. Ini juga kelihatan nggak nih? Can you see the text? Kelihatan, oke? Okay? At first, awalnya, ia pikir, she and here is Rina ya. Ia pikir, Dia had brought everything. Sudah membawa everything. Everything. Semuanya, segalanya ada dibawa ya, everything. But suddenly, coba saya penasaran nih, Adi ya, ntar ya kita kasih kesempatan teman di rumah. Ini loh, mumpung muncul. Jelita. Jelita. Jelita, please turn on ya, oke. Jelita, tetapi tiba-tiba, but suddenly itu ya. Jelita?
Iya. Ya.
Realize apa? Menyadari kemarin ya. Menyadari.
Menyadari. Nggak bisa bahasa Inggris.
Nggak bisa bahasa Inggris. Kita pelan-pelan nih. Awalnya dia pikir dia telah membawa semua. Tetapi tiba-tiba dia apa tadi? Menyadari bahwa dia meninggalkan atau ketinggalan atau meninggalkan nanti ya. Meninggalkan ini apa nih, rice? Jelita? Nasi. Di dapur. Nggak tahu. Iya betul. Betul Jelita. Kitchen di dapur. Di her house. Rumahnya siapa?
Rina.
Iya, di rumahnya Rina, betul Jelita. Nah, itu bisa ya. Kalau pelan-pelan sebetulnya bisa. Jangan khawatir, jangan langsung bilang nggak bisa. Jelita bisa. Lanjut. Yemima, ini mumpung kelihatan. Yemima. Yemima. Adelia.
Ya, Bu.
Ya, Adelia, lanjut. Nih yang saya bold. Dia could not itu apa?
Dia tidak bisa memasak.
Tidak bisa memasak. Good. Terus apa?
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Dan kompetisi.
Lost ya, kompetisinya ini lost. Lost, what is lost? From the word lose. Kalah, betul ya, Yemima. Ini Adelia apa Yemima ya?
Adel, Bu.
Adel, oh iya yang atas. Oke. Adelia lost the competition. Oke. Dan ia kalah dalam lombanya. And then terakhir, ini this one, Adel.
Dia merasa sangat kecewa.
Kecewa, very good. Thank you, Adel. Oke. Now you know the text is about ya. Kan sekarang kita tahu nih pokoknya ada seseorang namanya Rina